introducing the designs of centuries-old craft with durable and redefined luxury.
Selecting a product of timeless beauty requires a stern attitude. It must have a proven history. At BERA, we are redefining these products to be more luxurious and comfortable. Our creed for perfection and affinity to uniqueness makes these products truly remarkable.
The story of BERA started with an audacious spirit to mainstream the market with quality and comfort, and bring forth the indigenous knowledge of ancestors for bringing new standards in modern attire. A product selection plays a main role in the overall production process, and the immense challenge is working in parallel with artisans to acquire the desired outcome.
At BERA, we go through a detailed process to ensure the utmost quality with the elegant looks.
The finished outcome of BERA is a masterpiece of strength, design, and comfort, which is purely handmade from start to end. Along with product manufacturing display, this is the world of crafting excellence and creative approach to result perfection.
The quality of material is ensured at every stage of the crafting process. Each step of the crafting is closely monitored by master artisans. We put all our limitless thoughts together to finish every BERA product with imperial looks.
It goes through a process by digging down in product's background to recognize its value in the history of usage and its fabrication. It must be centuries old and have a proven method of artistry.
مونږ چې د بیره د پاره کوم مټیریل استعمالو هغه د مارکیټ بهترین مټیریل دی او زمونږ هر یو کاریګر چې کوم دی هغه په خپل کار کې ښه بهترین مهارت لري.
The resultant outcome of BERA's craft isn't the combination of materials, but the values, passion, and spirit of artisans that get together to present the end products in its best form. BERA is a Pashto word, named for jujube plant, which is an object of strength and survival even in harsh conditions.
The proud history of every BERA product is what makes it a remarkable art.
Acquiring the art of purity takes a long time, either in design or manufacturing, because it's always an epic challenge for an artisan to overcome the obstacle of acquiring the craft of matchless beauty and comfort.
دلته کې د صدو راسي دا هنر چې دی په دې کلي کې کېږي د صادرو دا د لاس جوړ شوي چې کوم مالونه دي دا د صدو راسي د 1500 کاله نه مخکې دا یو تړون را روان دی او زموږ مشرانو هم دا کسب کړی او اوس هم ورسره هغه کارونه چې دي نو هغه زموږ په هغه طریقه روان دي. کله چې د سوات د شاهي خاندان حکومت و دلته نو هغو به هم دلته زموږ د لاس جوړ شوي چې کوم مصنوعات دي دا به یې ډېر په خوشحالۍ سره اخیستل او فخر یې پرې محسوس کوو. اوس زموږ د بیرې سره تړون وشو نو د بیرې سره په تړون په وجه به انشاءالله زموږ د هنر چې دا نور هم مخ په وړاندې لاړ شي او ټولې دنیا ته به ښکاره شي چې یاره سلامپور هم یو داسې ځای دی او هلته دا قسمه پراډکټس تیارېږي.
At BERA, there is no limitation on bringing new ideas to life, consequently in the same area, launching feminine designs so that female could also experience joy from it. BERA wasn't founded with an idea of business, but a more immense cause to empower the people of society that needs our consideration, to make them a part of the brand, and prove to be a human-centric firm.
This combination of traditional craftsmanship and modern attire is appreciated by those for whom spirit is as important as substance.
Authenticity, sustainability, care, trust, and empowerment are the pillars that hold the brand strength. BERA isn't connected to a single culture, people, or borders, but devoted to connecting people together beyond borders.
We want you styled and empowered because it's not about us, it's about you.
BERA, culturing happiness